Hey guys, welcome back to the Dabbler's Den. This is Chris, and I'm here with a quick gear review from a company called Chaos Ready, and I'll be reviewing their tactical pens, so we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So again, this is a tactical pen put out by a company called Chaos Ready. You can pick one of these up on Amazon for just over $15. And they also have a website, and I'll provide both in the description below. Anyways, as you can see, you know, I have not opened this yet, but so what you're seeing is what you're going to get when you order one of these. But you can see right away that it comes in a very discreet black pen box. You know, you can give one of these as a gift to anybody. But it being a tactical pen, there's going to be multi-uses for this, which puts it right into a dabbler's like me. Right up my alley. So I did want to go ahead and show you guys one of these and show you what it's all about. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look. First thing I noticed is that this does come with a set of instructions, all the different uses. So that's here. Again, this being a tactical pen, it's going to have lots of tactical uses. My plan is to put this in my my visor in my car. That way that I always have a pen when I need it, and all the different uses that this thing has. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so here's the pen itself. You can see it's got a very heavy-duty clip here. Again, I'm going to use this to clip it onto my visor, but you could pretty much attach this to just about anything. The tip here, very strong, pointy. I think it's a tungsten tip. That could be used to break windows. You could probably, there's multi-uses for this that I could think of. On the back, there's a very serrated edge here. This is called a DNA catcher, and I hope that I never have to use that. But this right here, if you jam it in, turn it, you're going to collect some DNA that way. And if anything, it may keep somebody off of you. That's not going to feel good. It does have a LED flashlight on the inside. Again, that's another helpful thing to have inside of your car. So again, that's why I'm going to keep this in my car. Let's see. You unscrew it. You can see on the inside we do have this is one of the pressurized ink pens. This you can use anytime. You can use it when it's raining. It really doesn't matter. The ink's going to come out of this. Plus, these are replaceable, so you can always, if the ink does run dry on one of these, because I do plan on using it, you can always replace them with one of these pressurized ink cartridges. You unscrew the top, and this is where the pen actually is. So again, the tungsten tip is the exterior part, but you unscrew that out and you do have a functioning pen on the inside. Very simple, very easy to use. There's lots of different functions for this. This is again something that you can use for lots of purposes. There is a replaceable battery on the inside. This looks like a pretty neat little item. $15. Get it for yourself, get it for a gift. But either way, guys, check out Chaos Ready on Amazon, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.